Welcome to GetSmarter, a new section on our website to inform you about SMARTUNIFIER. Click on Smart Docs. Within GetSmarter we have a documents library. In this section you can find all the documentation material to successfully install, configure and operate SMARTUNIFIER. If you click on one of the documents, you will find different versions available. In this section you can also share and like our content. You can easily browse through the documents or use the search function to look for specific topics. Are you already a Smart client and need support? Check out our Smart Support portal to raise a request and get instant contact to our team. AMORPH.pro SMARTUNIFIER. Get smarter now.